This is the Nanuk 910 Professional Protective Case, available in black or a choice of 9 other colours, and how you personalise the interior space with this pick and pluck foam insert option to house your valuable equipment like a set of Pulsar Merger thermal binoculars, along with all the Merger's accessories. Or this 910 could equally be used to protect filming or specialist sports equipment, a drone, a first aid kit, or even a 14-inch laptop. Start with the largest item to roughly plan where to place everything. Internally, you have a generous 336 by 234 by 104mm to play with. Once you've worked out where it'll all go, sketch out your plan so you've something to refer to. As the name suggests, you can just pick and pluck the foam, but life will be a little easier with some toothpicks and a sharp knife. With the largest item in position, mark out the profile with toothpicks, placing them where the half-inch foam squares intersect. I like to mark it out a bit undersized to start with. It'll give you a bit of wiggle room so you can remove a bit more foam later on if things are too tight. When you're happy with the shape, start cutting into the foam. You don't need to follow the square marks in the foam, but it's easier if you can. And you don't need to cut all the way through. Just get the outline started, maybe a centimetre deep, then tease the foam apart until you've worked all the way through before you pick and pluck that section out. Testing the fit, I can see here I've accidentally pulled a bit too hard on the area around the eyepieces, and it's not as tidy as I'd like. Fortunately, with these inserts, you get a second chance by flipping the foam over and using this side as a tidy top surface. As the fit's just a little bit tight, I can easily address that by enlarging the recess. Test it again. That looks good to me. Repeat the process for the other items to be included. No need to stick to square shapes, and you can cut out sections to the full depth or just part the way through with some careful knife work to achieve a snug, easy access fit for all those small components, batteries and cables. When you're happy with the results, reassemble your Nanuk 910 with its new tailor-made insert. And that's it, all complete in under half an hour. Your kit's safe, you've got everything you need in one place, and as well as being tidy, it's all easy to get at and just as easy to put away. If you'd like to see me fit some kit in other Nanuk cases, or see more from Nanuk, subscribe. I'm David Thomas Jacks. Thanks for watching.